BMW X5 E70, full detailed review, English version. The BMW X5 E70 is the second generation of BMW's iconic luxury SUV, produced from 2006 to 2013. With this model, BMW took a massive step forward in design, technology, driving dynamics, and comfort. It was also the first X5 to offer a 7-seat configuration, a completely new platform, advanced electronics, and a refined approach to performance for large SUVs. Exterior and design. The E70 features a bold yet refined design that perfectly represents BMW's style of the late 2000s. Wide wheel arches and a broad stance for a sporty, confident look. Larger, more expressive kidney grills, sharper headlights with upgraded angel eyes, rings, wide LED taillights, and dual exhaust outlets on more powerful models. Even today, the E70 maintains a premium, modern appearance and does not feel outdated. Interior and cabin quality. The interior became significantly more spacious, comfortable, and technologically advanced. Materials and finishes. High-quality leather, Dakota, Nevada, Napa, aluminum, wood, or high-gloss trims. Excellent build quality and ergonomic layout. Seating and space supportive front seats with multiple adjustments, sport or comfort options available. Spacious rear seats with great comfort. Optional third row, turning the X5 into a true 7-seater. Large cargo area. 620/750 liters interior technology iDrive system, CCC or updated CIC depending on model year. Head-up display. Premium Harman Kardon or top hi-fi audio systems, 2-zone or 4-zone climate control. Panoramic sunroof rear entertainment system optional. Engines and performance. The BMW X5 E70 offered a wide range of powertrains. Petrol engines 3.0i N50 72 horsepower, reliable naturally aspirated xDrive 35i N55 306 horsepower charged, strong balance of power and economy. xDrive 48i N62 355 horsepower, V8 xDrive 50i N63 408 but twin-turbo V8 X5M 63 5.5 extreme performance SUV. Diesel engines 3.0 M57 N57 to 235 to 45 horsepower, known for exceptional reliability. xDrive 30 245 horsepower, xDrive 30 V5 286 horsepower, very torquey. xDrive 40D 306 horsepower, refined and powerful. Rare markets. M50D tri-turbo 3-in-1 transmission and drivetrain. 6-speed or 8-speed. ZF automatic advanced xDrive all-wheel drive system. Optional adaptive suspension, active anti-roll bars, rear air suspension, driving dynamics. The E70 is widely considered one of the best handling large SUVs of its era. Sharp, precise steering, minimal body roll with active stabilization, high-speed stability and confidence, excellent comfort with optional air suspension. It drives more like a sporty BMW sedan than a heavy SUV. Safety and electronics. The E70 introduced many advanced systems. ABS, DSC, DTC hill descent control, active cruise control, 360-degree cameras and parking sensors, lane departure warning, blind spot detection, up to 10 airbags, night vision infrared system, achieved 5 stars in Euro NCAP crash tests. Common issues and what to watch for. Like any premium SUV, the E70 has its weak points. Petrol V8, N62, N63, oil leaks. High oil consumption, cooling system issues, turbocharger wear on N63 diesels, M57, N57, DPF clogging, swirl flap, wear occasional high-pressure fuel pump issues, shared problems, rear air suspension leaks, timing chain, stretch on some engines, electronic issues, sunroof, FM module, parking sensors. With proper maintenance, these SUVs frequently last 300,500 kilometers. Why the E70 is still so popular. Strong balance of price and performance, robust, powerful engines, modern design that ages extremely well, comfortable and luxurious interior, excellent dynamics for such a large vehicle, huge potential for tuning and upgrades. Conclusion: the BMW X5 E70 remains one of BMW's most successful and beloved SUVs. It combines premium comfort, sporty driving characteristics, advanced technology, and timeless design. Even years after production ended, the E70 continues to stand out as a reliable, stylish, and enjoyable luxury SUV with true BMW character.